Many businesses in the modern era are turning their business with a more effective business-to-business strategy. This B2B marketing services is more effective because you will not need to depend on location or geography for reaching your customers. It can help you to achieve the expansion of your business on a worldwide scale. Small businesses can also expand their market with the help of e-commerce and digital marketing services. There is no need for a huge investment to use this approach. Business-to-business marketing strategy can help to reduce the input efforts. It aims at customers according to their age, gender, and interests. This can help you to develop an efficient marketing strategy for producing products according to their demand. By having knowledge of your customers' needs, you can develop your strategy to fulfill their demands more efficiently. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. To run a company smoothly required a huge investment for purchasing the necessary technology gadgets, upgradation of strategies, and expansion of services and products. But B2B marketing strategy may look a little bit expensive, but it is worthy to have because it will provide guaranteed profits. Making a B2B strategy to get better results requires thoughtful and careful planning, implementation, and further management. Here's a look at the B2B strategy companies planning that they use to compete in a crowded market. Step 1. Developing an overarch vision. Before taking any decision, you'll have to select specific business measures. Then make a framework on how to achieve your target by using a B2B marketing strategy. Step 2. Defining your marketplace and buyer personality. This is a vital step for B2B marketing organizations because its services are dealing with definite customers. The better way to know your customers closely, you have to speak to them directly through messaging. Step 3. Identifying B2B marketing tricks and mediums. After establishing strong communication with your aimed audience, you'll need to plan a strategy for how to approach them. Be aware of these queries: what they prefer to see online, what queries they are searching about, and which social media platform is preferably used by them. Step 4. Creating assets and running campaigns. After having a plan, it's time to execute it. You have to undergo the best practices for each plan you have incorporated into your strategy. Focusing on effective campaigns such as adding a creative approach, smooth targets, and useful intuition should be called into action. Step 5. Measuring and improving. This is the process that will keep you moving on the right path. In the simplest terms, you have to find out why high-performing content works well and why low-performing content do not work well. It will be enabling you in making a better decision regarding your money and time. Your awareness about consulting and applying your learnings, the closer you will come towards your goals and can grow easily. Types of B2B marketing. Here are some of the most common B2B marketing types. Blogs. It is the mainstay for every content network. Updating blogs on a regular basis will provide visibility and attract people to your site. You can use many content formats on your blog, such as written copy, videos, and more. Social media. You can use organic and paid, both types of social media. Social networks will allow you to approach and engage with different prospects. B2B customers are using these channels to search the potential businesses to make purchasing. White papers or ebooks. By using this medium, you can get important information. These are the documents that we can download. It is a leading generation tool used for the B2B marketplace. Videos. This type of catchy content may be used in many fields like online blogs, as well as various social media platforms, because it is playing an imperative part in B2B marketing strategies. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends.